Did you know social media marketing and search engine optimization can work together and is a great way to grow social media presence and search rankings? Hi, I'm Amron social media marketer, and we have Chinmay Mahanta, who is a search engine optimizer. Today, we are going to talk about how to use the power of social media marketing and SEO to grow both. Strategy 1: Social media to SEO. Add your website links in your social media bio. This is the first step once you have your social media profiles up and running. You can add your website link in the bio and drive traffic from your social media profiles to your website. This would be much better because people will be actually knowing you through your profile, and these people will be highly engaged on your website. So there are two ways which you can put links. One, you can either put only one link on the bio, and the other way is use tools like Linktree to add multiple links in your bio.
So the second strategy is about SEO to social media. So how to implement the SEO for social media vendors. So you can add your social media profile links to your website, about us section, contact us section, and even the blogs in the author section. This gives them a chance to know and connect with you on social media, and that can result in more engaged and frequent website users. More often, you will notice social media links on the footer section of the website, which is also good.
Strategy 3: Social media marketing to search engine optimization. Promote blog articles with carousel posts. So once you write your article, you can note down some of the main points from it and then create a carousel post for social media platforms. So you can combine some bits or short briefs from your article and then create a graphical carousel post. So you can post it on your social media accounts and give a link so people can read more or learn more. So you can redirect people from your social media profiles to your website, and this will get more high quality traffic from social media, as people will be actually knowing you and they would be much interested in reading more about that topic.
So the fourth strategy for SEO to social media is about adding the YouTube videos on your blog articles. That means you will link your YouTube video to the blog articles. Now, how to do that? So that is a process called embedding your YouTube videos on the blog articles. So embedding a YouTube video is pretty simple if you are using the WordPress. So how to do that? How to embed the YouTube video in a blog article? So the process is very simple. Go to YouTube, click on the share option, and you will get the embed code of that YouTube video. And that embed code you can simply copy and paste on your blog article, and that will display that YouTube video display screen, and that way you have just embedded your YouTube video on the blog article. So embedding a YouTube video will help your visitors to understand the visual concepts better, and also it will increase the search ranking of the blog article. Also, it will help in retaining the visitors for a longer duration on the web page, which will give a positive impact on the search engine ranking signals. And it will help you grow your channel by getting more views and subscribers. An important point that you should not forget is adding schema markup for the video. And it will be better if you are adding chapters to your YouTube videos.
Strategy 5: Social media marketing to search engine optimization. Run ads to drive high quality traffic to your blog or website. With the help of social media ad networks like Facebook ads, you can promote your blog, articles, or website on social media platforms. You can use traffic as your campaign goal and then target. You need to create a customer avatar so you can target those people, or you can think in a way like who you are writing this blog for. So once you know that, you can use social media ad networks to target with the help of their demographics, interest, geographics, age, and other factors. And also you can target your competitors. So this way you will get more high quality traffic with the help of social media ads.
So the strategy number 6 for SEO to help with social media is by embedding Instagram posts in the blog article. So embedding social media posts on web pages or blogs will help in building social trust and improve dwell time of the post if the post is highly engaging one. Also, it will give a good look to the blog when properly set up. But take care that it is not affecting the loading speed of the web page.
Strategy 7, social media marketing to SEO. Share blog articles in your Facebook and Instagram stories. So you can type it out in stories like a brief from your articles, or else you can create some graphical post. So you can add it in your stories. To share it on Facebook stories, at the same time, you'll have to connect your Facebook page with your Instagram page. And then once you are sharing it, there you will get an option. Either you will get combined option to post on both, or else you'll have to click on the three dots and click share on Facebook stories. This will help you drive traffic from stories to your blog articles.
So the strategy number 8 to in SEO to SMM section is about adding the social media post links to the blog article. In the blog article, if you want to share some important posts or surveys like some tweets or LinkedIn posts with polls or surveys, etc., then you can share those important tweets and all those posts that you want to share with your audience on the website, then you can share those. Because these polls and surveys are very helpful to know your audience, their views, and what type of content they like. And when you media links, it gives a social trust signal. If you are getting a good number of visitors to your blog post, then chances are that some of them will click on those links and check your social media accounts and posts, which will help you in increasing your social media followers base.
I hope you got some value out of this video. Thank you so much, Chinmay, for being part of this video.
Thank you,
Thank you
Amron.
for watching, and subscribe for more.